Hello there, my friends, and welcome. So, you want to change your life, but let's be honest, your bank account says, nope, it's not happening today. I've been there myself. So, the big question is, can you really start digital marketing with $0? The answer might surprise you. So, make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, let me break it down. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, originally from Malawi, and I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. I help busy moms learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire your boss and get to spend more quality time with your family. So the truth is, you don't need to spend thousands and thousands on courses and tools and resources. You need to be resourceful, okay? In 2025, there's so many tools and resources that you can use. I'm going to introduce you to some of them that I use on a daily basis. You just need to find focused time to build your business, and you can start with free tools, and then you can be strategic about scaling, okay? So as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you need to have a system, and a system that captures your prospects information, follows up with them, and let me actually just share with you what I use for that to build my business, and it's 100% free that you can use it as a free member. Let me show you. So this is an all-in-one marketing system that allows you to drive traffic to your system, and it gives you an autoresponder. So once you capture your prospects information, you send out a series of emails to them. It's a page builder where you can build these different types of pages. You can create pop-ups for free. So when someone's about to leave, a pop-up comes up. You can actually track your links, and you can use it to make money online as well. So this platform here, you can see it has over 171,000 members. Over 56 million visitors have been sent using the traffic, and 81,000 app users. And then as a free member, you can actually earn in 5 different ways. You can participate in our pay-per-click program, in the traffic co-op. You can become an active member, view 10 ads a day. You can turn your credits into cash, and you can earn recurring affiliate commissions as well. So as a free member, you earn 25% monthly recurring commissions, and as a paid member, you earn 50%. Now, one of the other tools that I use to promote my business, even this video that you're watching here will have a thumbnail, right? So I use this thing called Canva. I'll put the links in the description to both of these. And Canva is what I use to actually build my business, to actually create graphics for my business, right? So now I'm learning how to do this. Excel sheets in there as well, infographics, and all this thumbnails and everything. So very, very powerful. And as a free member, you can go onto YouTube. You can start learning how to search for how-to videos. And YouTube is great to get that basic understanding. But if you're going to actually master something, you want to actually be able to focus on one thing. Otherwise, you could end up jumping from different things. So what I want to invite you to do is I want to share with you I have a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, which was created by a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren who went from 0 experience, 0 technical skills, 0 following to earning her first million with this blueprint. Now, this blueprint takes you by the hand and walks you step by step to learning the skills to build a business. And the good news for you is you don't have to spend thousands and thousands on this blueprint, and you don't have to spend monthly recurring commission, monthly subscriptions. It's a one-time payment, and there's different packages you can get in where you fit in. You can get started for as little as $100. So let me show you what this the bonus site of this program is. So this is not the actual program. This is just a bonus site. We have over 54,000 paid members, 120 online. I can ask any question, somebody's going to answer. We have a 3-day workshop that's starting in 8 hours. So if you're watching this, you're in the right place at the right time to jump in that, and you can ask questions of our multi-millionaire who's hosting those workshops. This is a map of where we are in the world. We're in Africa, Europe, Asia, New Zealand, Australia, everywhere, South America, North America. We have live interactive coaching and mentorship. I told you it's a one-time payment. Even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, every single week we have live coaching and mentorship. You can see here that workshop is starting today and it goes on for 3 days. But we also have mentoring. We have a tech call here. We have so much training on a weekly basis. The classroom is where we have additional tools and resources. By far, my favorite is a 90-day sprint, where a multi-millionaire takes us by the hand for 90 days. She sends us a video that appears here. It's 5 minutes long on average. And she talks about skill set, mindset. Today, she's talking about rebuilding your habits, right? The habits are the difference between where you are and where you want to be, right? Webinars, this is where our multi-millionaire and six-figure mentors do the selling and the telling. We get resources to help us promote the webinar. We have mindset training by a hypnotherapist, help us get rid of our stinking thinking. She does exercises. We have social media training, mentoring replays, 6 figures in 6 months. We have a content vault. You can download content onto your devices and use that content. And then here, just to show you some of the wins that we have in our community. Caitlin, 6 hours ago, $900 while sitting at a poolside with my sister who's visiting from out of town. Congratulations. Sune, 12 hours ago, 4 more leads today as a total beginner. Congratulations. Let me see, winning proof that this works. Let me see, Wendy, one of our 6-figure mentors. I haven't been glued to my phone except to snap a few memories, making pictures. But guess what? This YouTube video is working behind the scenes. This is a YouTube video as well. That's going to be working behind the scenes. $900 sales. Let me see who else. Carol, $900 while at home enjoying a Sunday goodness of God. This is my fastest sell. Carol, congratulations. Ariana, 18 hours ago, $100 sell while on a business call. Akone, 24 days ago, 600 and 300 after a viral video. Nadia, 3 days ago, 2 $900 sales back to back. She shares a screenshot there as well, okay? So we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, from no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to use our blueprint and jump onto a live interactive coaching and mentorship. Use our 90-day sprints to start learning the skills to build a successful digital business. Now, this month, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 12 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business so they can finally fire the boss and get to spend more quality time with the family. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step blueprint, go ahead and comment blueprint so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula blueprint. Now, I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam, check your promotional folder, and respond to my email once you've gone through the blueprint, because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.